Hello guys, this is epsytech and today I'm showing you gaming product. Yes, why it's gaming? Because to start playing some games, this is for beginnings. This is a combo that you can get it from Corsair. You will have all the specifications in my link description. So let's talk about these two products. One is the keyboard, the other is the mouse. Two things that you need always for gaming. Let's start for the mouse. Let's open it and check it out. Boom! Okay, here you go. This is the mouse. As you can see, it's a really nice mouse. It's got 6 programmable keys. You can change the DPIs on the fly. I mean, if you are gaming and you want to change, for example, to be a sniper, or if you want to need a faster DPIs and you want to change it, you can do it on the fly. Other thing that you didn't know, it synchronizes with your keyboard, which means when you are doing your setup, you will have a beautiful keyboard and mouse synchronized with the same color. It's got only 85 grams of weight, which is so it looks like a feather, you know. The mouse buttons are really smooth and the scroll is really nice to 6000 DPIs. Yes, I know, you are saying now, epsytech, I play with 8000 DPIs or more. Don't forget, I'm speaking this as a beginner product for the gameplay. And I mean, for me, it will be much more than enough. Oh, and the connection is by USB, obviously. Now that you see the mouse, let's talk about the keyboard. K55 Rgb. What do we have inside of this box? Let's see it. Okay, as you can see, this is the keyboard. You have the manual for warranty guide and for now everything that you can do with this keyboard. This is not mechanical keyboard. There are people that prefer this kind of keyboards. Why? Because they are much more quiet, and if you are in your parents' house and you're gaming a lot, I believe that this will be the most reliable option. Why? Because you are playing at night and nobody can hear you almost. So as you can see, you've got the multimedia buttons here. You can play music, stop music, increase volume, decrease volume. The keyboard is really nice. Let's see the back of it. As you can see in the back, you got the support rest if you want to put it on your desk, and you got this rest for your hands. The first keyboard that I ever used for gaming PCs was a keyboard with the rest for my hands, and I must say that after that keyboard, every keyboard that I didn't have this kind of rest would make me hurt my hands, because you are in a not a very ergonomic position, and you have the USB connection. So for these two products, you will occupy 2 USB ports in your PC. Now let's make the test of it. So now testing the keyboard. When we connect for the first time, as you can see, we receive these beautiful RGB lights. Now I was testing the RGB lights. As you can see, there is looks like 3 parts of the keyboard are separated. Each zone has a color. There's 2 custom buttons where you can define the 3 colors, and as you can see, we choose it easily. You can turn off the lights. You can, for example, increase the light or decrease the light of the RGB. You can put, for example, other effects like a breathing effect, as you can see, changing of colors, and you can to increase and slow the speed of this breathing effect. As you can see, this keyboard has a lot of RGB effects. Speaking about the RGB of the mouse, I was surprised because I thought that would be more lights. The only light that you have is on the Corsair logo, and every time you press the button to change the RGB, it's changing the DPIs on the fly too. So I played CSGO, as you can see, and what I've noticed that I already tested mechanical keyboards, and what I can say from different of this keyboard is that mechanical keyboards are faster, but there is an advantage in this keyboard being so quiet, because you can play it all night and you will not bother anybody. All the keys are working fast, it's got a response time really nice, There's the anti-ghosting for multi-keys, which is great when you are pressing many keys at the same time. And my conclusion is, yes, this is a really acceptable keyboard. I've tested the mouse. I use Razer Mamba, which is a bigger mouse. I have big hands, I can say it, and I would recommend this mouse for small hands. I mean, it's really light. I almost didn't feel it on my hand. It's really fast. If we increase the DPIs to 6000, I mean, the game will be very fast. For my conclusion is that I will recommend this mouse for a beginner that is starting playing games. So guys, this is my product review for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on my social medias, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!